For more information and current price, I have included all product links in description below. First one in our list is Pressure Joe SPX3000 electric pressure washer. This pressure washer packs a powerful punch with its 1,800 watt and 14.5 amp motor. It can generate up to 2030 psi of water pressure and 1.76 GPM of water flow for maximum cleaning power. It is equipped with a dual detergent tank system. The washer carries and stores two different types of detergent simultaneously in its two 0.9-liter onboard, removable detergent tanks. You can conveniently switch between different detergents with its detergent selection dial and blast away all sorts of grime. It features a 34-inch extension spray wand to access hard-to-reach areas, such as two-story buildings and the undersides of automotive vehicles, etc. This pressure washer lets you tailor the pressure output of the spray to your cleaning need with Pressure Joe's 5 quick connect spray nozzles. Overall, highly recommended. I have included all product links in description. You can check out these links for more details and latest price. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Share this video and don't forget to hit the like button.